Hello and welcome to the NALS Professional Development Screencast, which introduces our Virtual Learning Environment, or VLE. Let's get started. Now, to go to the VLE, use the link from the NALS website. When you do so, you'll arrive at this page. This is the home page, and this is what it looks like before you've logged in. The page is made up of different areas with an introduction to the site here in the centre, and the light blue boxes over here to the left and over here to the right are called blocks, and they contain the different resources you can access. The important ones you need to know about to begin with are the Need Help block, which is here. And here you can contact us using the click here link, which will automatically launch your email program. Now over here on the left hand side is the course categories block, and this contains details of all the courses that you are enrolled in. Now, before you can access any course, whether or not it requires an enrolment key, you'll need to set yourself up with an account. Now, if you come up to the right hand side at the top and click the login option, if this is the first time that you're using the VLE, you will need to create yourself a new account by clicking the button here. Now, your username can be whatever you want it to be. And today I'm going to be Jane Blogs. But please remember that your password must have certain characteristics, i.e. it must be at least 8 characters, have at least 1 digit, 1 lowercase letter and 1 uppercase letter. And you need to complete the form as follows. The thing to remember is that the VLE will send you an email to the email address you put here, and you will need to click on a link in that email to activate your account. So please make sure that your email address is correct. Here we have a reCAPTCHA image, and you just have to type in the letters that you can see in the image. If for any reason you can't see them clearly, you can have another go by clicking this link here and it will refresh the image. You will also need to put in your NALS membership or A number, your organisation and your organisation's address. Now down here is a link to the site policy agreement. You need to read this agreement. You can either save it to read later or print it out, but it's down to you to make sure that when you tick this box, you fully understand what you're agreeing to. Okay, now you can click on the Create My Account button and you will be brought to this page, and it will tell you that an email will have been sent to your email address and that you need to click on the link in that email to fully register your account. You won't actually be able to access any of the facilities or resources on the VLE until you have clicked the link in the email. That's the end of this screencast, and I hope you found it useful for your first visit to the NALS Professional Development VLE.